Ni hao, everyone. I thought I would show you my apartment. So here it is, and then there's my, here, I'll just do it this way. My cat with her new toy that I made her that she seems to like. So here's me walking through my front door. This is what it looks like. I have my shoes right here, a map of the places I've traveled, so Greece, USA, Bolivia, Egypt, Tanzania, UAE places, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and then now I'm in China. My organizer stuff, my shoes, which I need to clean, my drawer full of books, cat stuff. This is my kitchen, but I have free meals here, so I don't use my kitchen except for kitty litter stuff. So I don't normally go in there. Here's a little sitting area. My pictures. Those are things I actually got from Nepal. So yeah, and then my traveling library, because I teach a bunch of different classes to first graders, and they don't have any books in their classroom, and they need to have books, so I take this wherever I go. I got this from one of my students, too, so, and then this from one of my preschool students that I hung up. So here's my fridge. Nothing really in there. It stinks. This is some type of fruit. I have a TV. My window looks out onto this building. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, there's a building. This is a Chinese book I'm trying to read, learn Chinese, because my students do not speak any English. Like, there's some that can say, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine," but most of them can't even say that. So it is a little bit of a challenge. Here is something from, well, this is an Egyptian thing, but I got it in the UAE. We do have air conditioners, so that's nice. Here's my bathroom. The water heater up there, the toilet. This is actually my washing machine. It's in the shower area. So, yes, there's that. And my sink. And then in here is my bedroom. So yeah, Jan from Korea got me that. Not Jan from Korea, Jan from Thailand got me that. There's that building again, another air conditioner, something, got some storage. Oh, thing about the beds here. Oh, and there's cider. Thing about the bed is, this is the mattress. It is very, very hard. Like, it's pretty much just like sleeping on the floor. Yeah, it's just like sleeping on the floor. But I've gotten used to it and can sleep fine, so get it, cider, get it. So it's not a big problem. Yeah, this is my apartment. So, yep, that's it. We're going to the Great Wall this Thursday. It's probably going to be crowded because I have a weekend or a week-long break. It's a national day. But the thing is, in China, you have to work the weekends before a break. So I was working Saturday and Sunday, which is different. And I did not expect that. But, yep. So that's my plans. Anyways, have a good day. Zaijin, my cat's eating my shoes. Anyways, goodbye.